Patay na guys. So, wait lang guys. Kuha ko guys ha. Ah. So, guys. So, wait lang guys. Ipatanaw ko ni kanang mama ang iring kuno guys. Okay. Magkuha pa si papa sa iring guys. Kanya, nagoy kuhaan guys. Wait lang ha. So, kanya magkuha ko ani. Okay. So, kani guys. Bye-bye, thank you for watching. Shh.